Yeah, I threw a couple S-bombs in there, so